sun shining, beautiful day, beautiful day. But I've just popped into our local JCB dealer, TC Harrison's, and have a quick look what's in the yard. The yard's full of stuff here, look. Loads of stuff here. 131 LC. Right. 457 loading shovel. It's got some tyres on that, hasn't it? Look at that. Look at them for some tyres. They're brand new. I think that's, I'm not sure whether they're solids or not, but by Christ, they're, I wonder how much they would cost. Nice brand new JS 370 there. Quite cool. Telehandlers. Oh, that's a bit of a beast tucked in there. Another 370. Like a Wastemaster spec with those wheels. 568 a Wastemaster. There we go. Another one there. This is quite nice. Just with a Q-fit headstock. JCB 52560 electric. So that's a 2.5 tonne lift, 6 metre reach. How dinky is that? Who else thinks whether all this machinery is going to go down the electric route? I'm certainly not convinced. I think hydrogen will be the way forward. What do you think? Please put in the comments below. Whether you think we're going to go for electric or whether hydrogen is a step forward. JCB are doing lots of work on the hydrogen front. Because I think hydrogen is basically is an internal combustion engine with a different head on it. A few more machines here. It's like being in a sweet shop, isn't it? Now that's one that surprises me because we're up in Lincolnshire. And if I'm right thinking, Taylor Brothers is based on the Isle of Sheppey in Kent, people we know very well, lovely family. And if that's the same Taylor Brothers, it is, 0179588. Yeah, look at that. So we come all the way to Lincolnshire, 200 miles away from Kent. And there's the Taylor Brothers 3CX parked here. Beautiful that. Nice loading shovels there. How cool is that? So if you're looking for a used machine, JCB, TC Harrison's at Lincoln, could be well worth a place to call. Back in the yard, and young Tim is just road testing this Bowser we've just done. Now doesn't that look smart? It didn't look as smart as that when it came here, but doesn't that look good? There's young Tim doing what he loves, track driving. But that Bowser came in here, been refurbished and being road tested before it goes out on hire. There we go. Need a fuel, Bowser? Give young Timothy a ring. Right, well, the Bowser's back in the workshop. Apparently a bit of trouble with the lights.
It's good for content.
I don't think the right.
It doesn't always happen perfectly every time. This isn't stage, this is real life.
It is.
It's like reality TV.
Well, the lights on this Bowser have all been put on fitted new.
Yeah.
But I think there's a bit of a question mark over some of the fitting of the lights.
Yeah, well, I'm not working around now anyway. So.
But
we'll overcome it.
We'll overcome it. But this is the idea of product testing. It's good. Yeah. It's good. Look at the shine on that paintwork. Look at the shine. Look at the shine. You can see me in the paintwork. Look at that. It's quite cool, isn't it? Well, I think it's quite cool. Everyone might think it's quite cool. Gary here is working on the lights, aren't you, Gary?
I am trying.
Maybe she's got you to fit them in the first place.
Probably not.
Probably not. No. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. What else is going on? Tank there nearly finished. A Bowser being put back together. A Bowser chassis here, having its brakes all done. The tank's outside the door. That needs to go on later on today. Chris is laughing at work. Is there a problem, Chris? Chris is laughing at work.
Michelle just told me to look busy.
Chris, we're not used to this happiness at
Oh
work.
no, you're not used to
We haven't,
that.
we haven't had much of it lately,
No,
have
we
we?
haven't. We've got some now though.
We've got some now. We're a happy workforce now, aren't we? There's a 5,000 litre tank there done, awaiting collection, that's sold. Here's the white tank that's got on that chassis in there. Oh, another tank there, grey one that's sold. Another 3 metre JCB grain bucket there, that's being delivered today. If you need any JCB buckets, give us a call. Plenty going on in the yard. Right, it's Saturday. We've come out to a local collective farm sale. Now, we used to do loads and loads of these when I was around here, but we've sort of stopped now. We tend to find that some of the items here aren't what we're looking for, perhaps, and they've always got probably high reserves on them. So we haven't bought much today. But however, the success story of today is young Eric. Come on, Eric. Eric wants to start buying, selling machinery. Okay. So today, we've invested a huge sum of money in a pair of garden gates. Okay, I'm not going to say how much, that would be right. And as we went to collect them, to take them home, we sold them for double the money. So Eric is now a machinery dealer in his own right. His first purchase was sold within the hour for double the money. So I think that's a great success story sale today. And I can't even charge him now transport home, which is a bit of a downer, but there we go. So anyway, a few bits at the sale here, look. I haven't bought much today, but anyway, we'll show you some of the things that are here. Expect with most little collective sales, and believe me, I've been to hundreds over the years, there is the usual assortment of everything you can probably think of. And the strange thing is though, that people get carried away and pay more for it than what it was when it was new.
There we go, we start with the case then. There we go, Case International with the loader, everything's recommended, genuine article item. Where we're going to be, start me nicely. Well, we ought to be £4,000 really, didn't we? 4,000. 4,000. Well, let's get going at 3 then. 2.5 at £2,500 bid. At 2.5 at 2,500. 2.6 at 2.6 at 2.7 at 2.7 at 2.8. I'll get you on eventually. At 2.9 at 2.9 at £3,000 bid. At 3,000. £1,500 bid. At £3,500 we're going on. £3,500 bid, he's coming again. £3,500 bid, I'm selling at £3,500, selling once, twice, third and last time at £3,500.
Thank you for watching our video of another few bits and pieces we've been up to. The weeks of work we do just seem to roll into each other. It's like madness. But even today, we have a customer, urgent need of a fuel bowser. So at 2:30 in the afternoon, we hook one on and we nip down to Banbury with it for them to get the customer, keep the customer happy. So one of the advantages of dealing with a small business like ourselves, we generally try to give you that personal service. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm feeling a bit better this week than I was last. I think this week I'm probably on about 65%, maybe 70%. So please put in the comments below how you're feeling this week, and also where in the world you're watching from. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to click and subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Thank you.